Tesla's behaving badly, blind spot bumps, full self-driving saves and fails, and so much more is all packed into today's episode of
Wham! Bam! Teslacam! I hope you're satisfied!
Tiernan's wife and 2 children were waiting in his Model Y, which he'd left parked on the street while picking up something he'd seen for sale on social media. Suddenly, he heard a loud bang. The seller thought her cat had knocked something over, but no such luck. Tiernan's wife called him to let him know that an SUV had slammed into their Tesla, and he immediately ran outside to check on his family. After making sure they were okay, he spoke to the driver of the SUV, who insisted that the damage to Tiernan's Model Y wasn't that bad. In fact, he told Tiernan, the damage looked purely superficial, and he could easily just drive away. His SUV, on the other hand, was surely totaled, which seemed to concern him a lot more than the fact that he just smashed into a parked vehicle containing 3 people, including a 1-year-old and a 4-year-old. When it was discovered that the Tesla was leaking fluids, the fire department was summoned to the scene, but it turned out to be nothing more dangerous than a coolant leak. The vehicle did end up being towed away. In the end, Tiernan's Tesla was most certainly not drivable. After a repair shop estimated over $19,000 in damage, it was totaled by the other driver's insurance provider. Tiernan used the settlement check to replace it with a Model X. Cheyenne was on her way home after dropping her husband off at the Raleigh-Durham International Airport when she watched the driver of a large truck begin merging into an exit lane before realizing an SUV was in his blind spot. As soon as the truck driver realized his mistake, he swerved to avoid a sideswipe collision, but his sudden maneuver caused him to lose control before the truck flipped onto its side. Cheyenne noticed what was happening and got as far from the truck as possible before it toppled over, dumping wood chips all over the highway as it ground to a halt. Meanwhile, the SUV driver who'd nearly been struck stopped on the shoulder. Cheyenne continued on her way home, but she told us she did confirm in later reports that no other vehicles were involved and nobody had been hurt in the wreck. Mike was letting full self-driving take his 2025 Model 3 through Orlando at about 75 miles per hour when FSD made a lane change to pass a car in the travel lane. Seconds later, an object passed between the tires of the SUV ahead of Mike, and FSD had less than a second to react before running it over with both passenger side tires. The impact flattened both tires, making the car undrivable before Mike pulled over in the breakdown lane. See that other vehicle already stopped? It also had a flat tire after making the same mistake. 4 more drivers would run over the same obstacle, eventually identified as a huge chunk of lumber, before it was finally removed from the road. Sadly, the source of the wood was never identified. Mike's insurance provider went through 6 different tow companies before finding one willing to tow Mike's car, as they were all concerned that loading it on a flatbed would damage the front end. Repairing the extensive damage caused to the Model 3's tires, wheels, and multiple body panels ended up costing approximately $20,000 and took a month. Thankfully, nobody was hurt. Flavio was slowing down for traffic waiting at a red light when a Honda driver suddenly dove across all lanes to reach a driveway. The Honda Civic left the far left lane, cutting through traffic to leave the road when it slammed into an Alfa Romeo in the far right lane. The impact sent the Civic careening into a Toyota RAV4 before it stopped. Flavio provided his contact information to all 3 involved parties so he could provide them with his Teslacam footage. Predictably, the Honda driver was the only one who never reached out to him. I wonder why. Vic was waiting patiently for a traffic light to turn green at an intersection that allows traffic from both lanes to turn left, as the overhead signs clearly indicate. When the light changed, an SUV driver in the neighboring lane turned wide, crossing the guideline and forcing Vic to hop a curb to avoid being sideswiped. Remember, just because you have a protected turn, that's what the green arrow light means, doesn't mean you can just do whatever you want. Pay attention to the signs, the lines, and most importantly, the other drivers around you. This subscriber was on his way home after a family vacation when a trucker in the neighboring lane began changing lanes without realizing there was an SUV in his blind spot. After the truck collided with the blue Skoda, our subscriber assumed the two drivers would stop to exchange information, but they just kept driving. Our subscriber got the attention of the SUV driver, letting them know he had Teslacam footage of the collision, which he emailed to them after getting home. What a cool example of how Tesla drivers can help out others. We imagine that discovering the damage later and having no idea how it happened or who was responsible would have been pretty unpleasant. Teo was on his way to school one morning in extremely poor weather when a group of pedestrians decided to cross a busy road, in spite of the fact that it was packed with traffic and there was no marked crosswalk. When the scooter riders in front of him were forced to slam on their brakes, Teo went to do the same, but his Tesla's automatic emergency braking had already activated. Even so, he was still sliding forward and had to swerve. Thankfully, no collision occurred and everyone was able to continue, including the pedestrians who clearly thought the time they were saving was worth risking their lives. Adrian was charging his Tesla at a Supercharger in San Francisco when he watched a Model Y exit the charger and turn the wrong way, toward the parking lot's dead end. Never fear, Full Self-Driving realized its mistake, but its method of correcting it was less than perfect. FSD began slowly reversing out of the parking lot and onto the road, while the driver clearly scrolled on his phone rather than supervising FSD. Seems like somebody needs a reminder that FSD still requires supervision. Or maybe he was willing to risk his own safety in order to maintain his FSD streak. Thankfully, the car was able to get onto the road without issue. Andrew was driving in a highway carpool lane when a car suddenly sped past him in the breakdown lane, followed by another and another. A minute later, he came across the remains of one of the cars as it sat smashed backward into the median barrier, while both driver and passenger sprinted across the highway to reach another one of the cars, which was stopped on the shoulder. One theory is that one of the drivers had caused a hit and run and the other two drivers were chasing them, and another is that the three drivers were simply racing each other recklessly before one wiped out. Still another theory is that one or more cars were stolen, and after the wreck, the occupants of the destroyed car were in a hurry to leave the scene with their friends in the waiting car. What do you think? Matt was letting Full Self-Driving take him home from church in his Model Y when it suddenly hit the brakes and pulled to the right just before getting onto an on-ramp leading to an interstate highway. What he didn't realize at first was that an SUV driver was approaching rapidly from behind him, driving on the shoulder before blasting past him. Thankfully, FSD had seen it coming and stayed safely out of the way. This just goes to show, sometimes what seems like phantom braking is actually FSD avoiding something you haven't seen yet. Sylvain was driving his Model 3 down a road with double yellow lines when a hurried Honda driver decided ain't nobody got time for that. The Honda driver passed another driver the same way, but not long after, Sylvain encountered a police SUV with its party lights on, and who do you think was pulled over right in front of it? No doubt, the Honda driver was having some fun figuring out how to explain his impatient recklessness in an attempt to avoid his helping of instant justice. Gotta love it. This subscriber was driving their Model S when they had to slow down and stop for traffic backed up at an intersection ahead. Suddenly, a red Model 3 drove past them on the shoulder. In case you're wondering, yes, this is absolutely illegal. Just a few feet later, the Model 3 driver was blocked from continuing by some kind of roadblock sign, at which point they put on their turn signal in an attempt to re-enter the flow of traffic. Oopsie, our subscriber told us he let them in. Travis sent us his Sentry mode footage of a truly strange event. He told us this woman was walking around and asking other Tesla owners at the Supercharger if they could spare any gasoline, before trying to get some out of the Supercharger. That definitely isn't an approved gas container, but that's not really the biggest problem with her plan, is it? She then told other Tesla owners that she owned Travis's Model X and that it had run out of gas. I mean, she's not wrong. The Model X didn't have any gas in it. When Travis came back and saw what she was doing, he used his key fob to open the Falcon Wing doors, at which point she walked away, still without any gas. This subscriber was driving along when he noticed something very strange being pulled on a trailer up ahead, and he had to get closer to find out exactly what it was. It turned out to be two Civil War-era cannons. Of all the things he's seen being towed around, he said these were the most unique. He also said he isn't sure if towing them around out in the open like this is necessarily legal. Personally, I don't mind, but I wouldn't want to drive behind them. Marcus was driving his Model Y in Spain when he had an unforgettable wildlife encounter on a quiet stretch of road. Surrounded by forest and with no other vehicles in sight, Marcus spotted a brown bear cub running down the left side of the road. He immediately slowed down to avoid scaring it any more than he already had, and to avoid accidentally hitting it, of course. Mike is a certified drone pilot who was hired to use his thermal drone to help some farmers locate 32 head of cattle that had escaped their farm. On the last day of the search, with only 2 cows left to catch, he captured this footage of a couple of cowboys taking one down right after it ran past his parked Tesla. He sent us his Sentry mode footage of the pursuit, as well as this footage from his thermal drone. Nice job, Mike! Greg was letting Full Self-Driving drive his Cybertruck one night when it suddenly stopped for something Greg hadn't even seen. A buck had run across the road in front of Greg's Cybertruck, and before FSD resumed driving, it let a doe follow after it. You've got to appreciate the fact that FSD's vision is superhuman. Rob was on his way home in his Model Y after a medical appointment, and he told us this off-ramp was recently reconfigured, which might explain why he didn't notice an entire tire in his lane before running it over. When the tire popped out from under the SUV ahead of Rob, he had no time to react before running it over. The other driver just kept going as Rob pulled over to inspect his Tesla for any damage. He discovered his front bumper cover was broken, an inner fender liner was missing, and his front license plate was completely gone, among other damage. Several other drivers also pulled over after hitting the same tire. The next day, while Rob was still working on his insurance claim, his Model Y gave him a low coolant warning. He had it towed to the closest service center, and he told us the repair quote is $9,000 US so far. This subscriber told us he came across a perfect example of someone playing stupid games and winning stupid prizes. After the driver of a pickup truck sped past his Tesla in the breakdown lane and slammed straight into the back of an SUV that had broken down. Who could have possibly seen that coming? I guess skipping traffic in a special lane meant just for vehicles that have become stationary against their driver's will isn't a good plan after all. Our subscriber told us he contacted the police and provided them with his Teslacam footage. This subscriber was about to enter a highway when a Michigan state trooper merged onto the ramp ahead of him. He continued behind the trooper at about 75 miles per hour in a 70 mile per hour zone when he was passed by a GMC SUV. The SUV driver continued past the trooper, which obviously drew his attention. The trooper followed after the SUV before eventually turning on his party lights and pulling it over for some instant justice. Our subscriber told us he was shocked at what was happening right in front of him. This seems like another example of playing stupid games and winning stupid prizes. If you need more examples, don't go anywhere. There are plenty of other bad drivers to make you laugh and cry in these episodes. So pick either one and continue enjoying the best Teslacam and Sentry mode videos on the internet.